I see some LED BS going on over there. Very nice sunrise. Anyway, let's get down there. Nice decrepit sidewalk. It's a nice area over here. It's quiet because it's Saturday morning. Nice old light fixture. Another one here. Oh, someone coming by. Gotta pretend I'm on my phone doing something. Vintage Fort Worth. It's kind of nice. Used to have vintage stoplights downtown, but they had to switch them out, I guess because they're doing so much work down there. Making things modernized and everything. Yeah, that one is LED. Jeez, LED. So yes, go check that out. There's a stupid LED that turned purple. How awful. Anyway, I better stop before some busybody asks me, hey, what are you doing, filming? Why are you filming? You can't film here. You can't film. Here they are. Oh, cyclist over there. Yeah, some are out. We had this stupid purple one. Nice sunrise. There's one with two lights on it over there. I'm going to stay over here because there's a sidewalk. So yeah, those used to be some kind of brick red, I guess. They painted them silver. It looks kind of tacky. Man, I'm really sweating now. Whoops, wasn't meant to be filming them. Filming the light, obviously. Not even embarrassed about that. Good, shouldn't be.